Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the Flavors of the Month kit for March 2023. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit. It includes 4 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also receive access to 4 recipe cards for double page layouts, and these are designed by our design team just for you, and they give you their cutting assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee in each one of your kits, so you can brew that up and sip on it when you create. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file that's designed by Cut to You just for our subscribers, and this month is this awesome graphic here. It's a spring thing with the daffodils, so you can put that all together or break it apart. It's a great cut file for this month's kits. So as you can see, we are ready for spring. So we have 49th and Market, Tranquility Collection, Echo Park, It's Springtime, Photo Play Paper, Showers and Flowers, Pink Fresh, Spring Vibes. So we're going to get right into it and show you everything that you're going to receive in this month's kit. First, we're going to look at Tranquility from 49th and Market. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of twill cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one. It's gorgeous. They're always these great backgrounds. So this one's called Bravado. Has the ledger pieces, the butterflies over here. It's just beautiful. The back is this little floral design on the gray. You have a full branding strip with some words. This one's called Restful Notion. So a white picket fence with the gorgeous florals over here. The back is a gray and white gingham check. The branding strip's a pink and white diagonal stripe. We have this one called Serene Moments, which is that gorgeous blue and green. The back is a pink and white check. I love the branding strip on this one with the butterflies, so you're going to use every bit of that paper. And this is that heavy, heavy cardstock weight that they're known for. For the embellishments, you're going to get several different varieties of things. You're going to get some large pieces. This is a great little layering piece. We have these die cuts here with the tickets. We have some chipboard pieces, and then like these clear transparency type film strips. So lots of different kinds of embellishments there. Just gorgeous. So that is Tranquility from 49 and Market. Next collection is It's Springtime from Echo Park, and you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here with the little beehives and the florals. The back has the bee with the little bee pattern there on the yellow. And that paper is called Busy Beehive. We have this one with the branches and the birds, and there's little butterflies and bees in between it. The back is a pink gingham. This paper is called Chirping Friends. Then we have a plaid in all of those gorgeous colors. The back is a white polka dot on purple, and that one is called Pretty Plaid. So you can see lots of great B-sides as well as these gorgeous patterns. For your embellishments, you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the ephemera. Now all of the embellishments will vary among the kits, but this is what I received, and a row of enamel dots. And again, those colors will vary among the kits. So that's It's Springtime from Echo Park. Our next collection is Showers and Flowers from Photo Play Paper. Another gorgeous spring collection, fun and just a little whimsical. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of sapphire cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Time to Bloom, which has the cute little flowers and bumblebees. The back is a yellow polka dot. This one's called Spread Your Wings. It has the large butterflies and florals on that minty green. The back diagonal stripe. This one's called Bee Pollen, and it's a grid design with flowers in between. The back are more bumblebees on that green. Again, just a really fun color scheme and icons. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet, so lots of options here. You have this kind of funky scalloped border, lots of word labels. You got Happy and Bloom so that you can make titles. I love the little plant sticks here: harvest love, grow laughter, plant smiles. We have rain boots and raincoats. Look at this fun little banner with the gardening tools. So lots of options there. So that is Showers and Flowers from Photoplay Paper. Our final collection is Spring Vibes by Pink Fresh Studio. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Sunny Days, which has stripes at the bottom, or you can turn it sideways. That's a great background paper. The back is a green, kind of painted, distressed. This one's called Take Your Time, and it has all of the phrases: breathe it all in, endless laughter, warm afternoons. The back is this gorgeous baby blue plaid with the pink. Moments of Joy is this gorgeous floral print with the little polka dots in green around it, and the back is this fun heart print on the butter yellow. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the chipboard frames. So again, all of your embellishments will vary, but these are the ones that I got. You're going to get a row of enamel dots. I got the orange ones. Those colors will vary as well. And then you're going to get some of the bits and pieces. So again, those will vary, but lots of little florals to decorate with. So that is Spring Vibes from Pink Fresh Studios. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. If you'd like to have your kits go even further, check out these add-on kits. We have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments that you can add on. You can also check out the Shots of Life, which coordinates and gives you more pattern paper and embellishments. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.